Zerifa Wahid Kapuran na Assam haka arpusantrik naiwing kala Paidbah ya kakali thamai kablatip kum ka Mercedes Benz GLE ha Bamaeri Resort kabadon Haribhoi district. Hakini kajing Paidbah ikni kakali ladon lang Ditopan Dave Sharma Chief Executive Officer bat kibala shakhot ngobha. Zerifa Wahid habakren hakini kesngi kala ai kajingero ikni ka company. Kalau ong bekeni ke kali ke compare na kiwe ki kali na markaya hab ha bat keni ke juk bementa. Keni ke kali kalong ke besengai nya ke benta kitu ki basyong bat yu nong nya ru kumju. Don kam tang ke jing husiar banyak thurmur hasurok kalau ong.
So much and I love the brand so much. Not because it's a luxury brand, but because I think along with luxury, it is something that you can use on a day-to-day basis, and it really ticks all the check boxes that you need in a car. Not just luxury, in terms of comfort, in terms of power, in terms of strength. You can really I can vouch for the GLE because I drive it myself, not this version, the old one. I can vouch for it myself. You can test this car to its limit, yet feel the luxury, while even when you're off-roading, trust me, you will feel the luxury of this car. And I think that's the beauty of the GLE. If you want a powerful 5-seater car that is really going to check all the boxes that you need in a luxury car as well as a powerful car, I think this is the perfect one. And the new facelift, of course, adds more beauty to it. And when I say beauty, it is not just there before. I think it's very new and it's very young as well as it's classy. So I think it's the perfect amalgamation of old luxury and new luxury. This new car that is the new GLE.
Wow.
Bosco with either
3, 2, 1. Unveiling the new GLE LWP, the beautiful 3-pointed star from Mercedes Benz. Gentlemen, this is the new GLE LWP from Mercedes.
Actually, so very soon, just think, go home and should be the first one to get this.
You have come in this,
Huh?
You have
Yeah,
come in this.
yeah. So thank you so much. Please enjoy the evening, and I'm very honored to be a part of this family. And I call her Naina, Horepura Paisu Okonmanipura. And I'm so proud that this little girl is doing so great in life, and Meghalaya always a great friend. So anything beautiful, anything lovely, I'm always a part of the Bragg family and Meghalaya's family. Thank you, and wish you all a very beautiful journey with this very beautiful, majestic car. Thank you.
Here also, ma'am. Yeah, thank you.